If you're looking for the best spy gadgets of 2024, Invotech Zone has you covered. In this video, we have put together a list of the best spy gadgets that you can buy in 2024. From budget-friendly spy gadgets to the best in the market, this video will give you clear guidance on choosing the best GPS navigators specifically for your needs. Now let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. Have you ever wished you had a magical device that could help you wherever you are and fly through the air? Presenting the drone, the DJI Mavic 3. This isn't just any ordinary flying machine, rather it's more like a perceptive little friend who's always up for an adventure. This incredible drone can fly non-stop for an incredible 46 minutes before needing to land. That's about an hour of unbroken flight time. And the truly cool thing is that it's incredibly intelligent. Even when it's speeding above 9 miles per hour, it won't unintentionally crash into anything because it can detect obstructions all around it. Yes, you read correctly. It has a great range of flights. But there's still more. The drone won't simply fall out of the sky like a weary bird when its battery runs out, or it starts to feel a little short on energy. Nope, that's not how brilliant it is at all. It is fully capable of navigating its way back home without assistance. Nothing needs to worry about or be done by you. Everything is taken care of. The DIJ Mavic 3 drone is therefore like your reliable companion, ready to soar over the skies and offer assistance whenever needed. Whether you're out on an adventure, keeping an eye on things, or just having fun, there's no stopping you when you have this tiny friend by your side. Number 2. ROXANT Viper Molecular Telescope. Though monoculars are just as simple and just as good as binoculars, when it comes to seeing faraway targets, don't discount the former. Consider the ROXANT monocular to start. It has military-grade quality and despite its tiny size, has a rubberized grip, a travel bag, a key ring, and other features. For the price of a lovely supper, you may have a pocket-sized telescope that rivals the capabilities of its bigger equivalents, thanks to this useful equipment from ROXANT. This monocular is a handy and lightweight tool for obtaining a closer look at your surroundings, whether you're sightseeing, birdwatching, or just enjoying the great outdoors. Number 3. Tracki GPS Tracker. With Tracki, tracking a car has never been easier or more accurate. Tracki provides you with the ability to monitor someone else or protect your car from theft. Tracki launches into action as soon as it detects movement, sending out signals and giving near real-time location updates. You have the option of receiving alerts via email or text, making it simple to follow the device's movements on Google Maps. Not just that though, Tracki isn't just for cars. It can even be used to monitor yachts with dock mode. So when your boat is safely docked, you can stay informed without getting bombarded with pointless updates. This nifty piece of spy tech offers unparalleled reliability, allowing you to track your assets discreetly and with complete peace of mind. Whether you're safeguarding your property or keeping an eye on a loved one, Tracki makes tracking easy, accurate, and worry-free. Number 4. weBoost Drive X. Being stranded without a cell signal is annoying for everyone, especially when you're traveling through places with sporadic coverage. The weBoost Drive X saves the day in this situation. It extends your phone's signal like a superhero, allowing you to stay connected even in the most isolated places. In order to provide your phone the coverage it requires, the weBoost Drive X works by contacting distant cell towers, seizing hold of the signals, and boosting them. Everywhere you go, it's like having your own personal signal booster. This wireless extender isn't just handy for everyday use, it's also a top-notch spy gadget for those who live life on the road, whether they're traveling for work or on a super-secret mission. With the weBoost Drive X by your side, you can stay connected no matter where your adventures take you. Number 5. The Kingston Ironkey S1000. In life, there are moments when we need to pass on sensitive files, and having an encrypted hard drive is like having a super strong vault for those important documents. Whether it's photos, blueprints, contracts, or even a rare recording of a Justin Bieber concert from way back, when it's vital to keep those files locked up tight. This spy gadget comes with a special hardware encryption chip built right into the drive itself. That means your data is protected by the toughest security measures out there, including a 256-bit AES hardware-based encryption and 142 Level 3 validation. In simple terms, once you activate the encryption, nobody, and I mean nobody, can peek at what's inside this drive. Your secrets stay safe no matter what. Number 6. Sony ICD-PX370 Mono Digital Voice Recorder. Are you trying to find a trustworthy digital voice recorder to capture conversations? You only need to look at this well-regarded Sony product. With its built-in direct USB connection, easy backlit display, and remarkable 57-hour battery life, this spy device is ideal for recording crucial conversations. With a built-in USB stick, this little and reasonably priced recorder delivers a powerful punch, enabling users to retrieve and save files without difficulty. This Sony recorder is perfect for taking notes, whether you're conducting interviews, in a conference, or just need to scribble something down. Its excellent ratings also give you confidence that it will complete the task correctly. Number 7. Backcountry Access BCA BC Link 2.0. Staying off the grid is important, and having consistent contact is essential. The Backcountry Access walkie-talkies are useful in this situation. You may avoid the headache of mobile tracking and stay connected with up to 128 sub-channels and 22 FRS channels. Not only does this kit facilitate communication, but it also comes with a speaker for added convenience. Additionally, these walkie-talkies have a long battery life, so you won't need to recharge them for days at a time. You also don't have to worry about the weather, because these walkie-talkies are IP56 weather resistant. You may continue talking without worrying even if the sky suddenly opens up. The Backcountry Access walkie-talkies are ideal for activities such as exploring isolated locations or venturing out into inclement weather. Number 8. Ray-Ban Stories. These Ray-Bans are more than simply fashionable eyewear. They include a ton of awesome features. To begin with, because the lenses are polarized, they protect your eyes from harsh sunlight and keep them comfortable. This is where things become really cool though. All you have to do to use them is say, "Hey Facebook," to use them hands-free. Yes, you read correctly. You can record films and capture photos with these sunnies without even taking out your phone or camera. They can also capture videos for up to 60 seconds, so you never have to miss anything. But there's still more. Not only can these Ray-Bans be used to take pictures, but they also have Bluetooth speakers built right into the frame. How convenient is it to be able to answer a call without having to search for your phone? But even without the interesting espionage elements, these sunglasses are still a stylish pair of Ray-Bans that elevate any bright summer day. So these shades have you covered in style, whether you're shooting pictures or making calls, or simply lounging in the sun. Number 9. Mission Darkness Non-Window Faraday Bag for Phones. Having trustworthy spy gear such as the Mission Darkness Faraday bag can be extremely beneficial in a society where privacy is highly valued. This bag has you covered whether you want to protect private information or make sure you're not being followed. Each bag has a unique serial number for simple tracking, and it is made to fit any gadget that is less than 9 by 6 inches. Furthermore, it is designed to block a wide range of signals such as 5G, RF, and more. The true magic, though, is in how this bag makes your phone impregnable after you seal it up. It guarantees that nothing, and I mean nothing, can enter or exit since it has been lab tested and verified. Not a single GPS, Wi-Fi, or Bluetooth feature. Dropping your phone inside this bag will protect your privacy and hide your location, so you can stop worrying about someone tracking you down or attempting to steal your info. You can rest easy knowing your information is secure with the Mission Darkness Faraday bag. Number 10. Portable Noise Generator. It's difficult to locate a quiet place these days without being concerned about listening in on conversations or covert recordings. But do not worry, the Rabbler is here to come to your rescue. This clever espionage device is rubberized to prevent unsightly damage. Tiny enough to fit into a sling purse and powered by a straightforward 9-volt battery. How then does it operate? You may create your own little bubble wherever you go. The Rabbler creates noise that simulates a background noise of a busy room, making it very difficult for microphones or eavesdroppers to hear what you're saying. The Rabbler is the ideal option whether you're talking about private concerns or simply need some privacy in a world where everyone has an internet-connected microphone. With this, we come to the end of the list, and you have the top 10 spy gadgets of 2024 here. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech insights. We would like to hear from you about your choice from the list in our comment section below. See you soon in the next video.